Beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is coming next? Charms reading. Yes, friends, this is a charms reading for what will happen next in your love, work, and life. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. You can buy your own 2021 readings for your own self. You can buy it, a personal detailed reading with charms, without charms, as your wish. And they're quite detailed, so make sure to book yours. It is a busy time right now, lots of bookings happening, so it may take me some time to reply back to you, but I do reply back, so don't forget. Also, if you can subscribe our channel to have a free reading at the end of the month. One lucky winner will be selected for a free reading. And so friends, what is happening, this is for this week, but you can use it anytime. You know, it is a timeless reading. Even though it is for this week, but it is timeless. So Sun is moving into Sagittarius, so happy birthday Sagittarius, very very happy birthday. And what else is happening? So Neptune is going direct on the 28th of November. So yay. Mars went direct this month and Mercury went direct, and finally Neptune is going direct in Pisces. So yes, great. And Venus is also in Scorpio, so that will also make us a little emotional. Sun in Sagittarius. And the finale of this week is the full moon eclipse that's coming for this week. So it will be in Gemini, but you know, it is opposite the Sun in Sagittarius, so a lot is happening this week. Make sure to watch all the piles if you feel drawn to. Let's see, let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, this beautiful owl card. Option number 2, this beautiful jellyfish. They are cute. Option number 3, the beautiful dog. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go and skip there. You can also choose more than one pile, not a problem. This is a charms reading, yes, so don't forget that. So for those who chose option number 1, let us see what's happening for you. What is next for you? For option number 1, the owls. This is your advice for the full moon. These are your oracle messages. Let's see your cards first. Who? Prince of Autumn. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person could be important for you, or you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel this is your week when you are working or focusing more on your work, on your finances. I also see you are studying something, learning something new. So your focus is on money, on career, on learning something new, making your life better. Yes, that's a good thing. Look at what's written on the card. Cautious but wise action. Meticulous attention to detail. Kindness to others. Yeah, see, you're busy working, you are planning, and work is on your mind. Release. I do see some of you have ended or coming out of a relationship or coming out of a bad situation, or maybe I feel maybe this hasn't, maybe some of you ended a situation already. If not, you could be ending it in this week, but I see most of you have ended something. You know, you have ended a work situation, and you're working on healing yourself. You have ended a bad love situation. I do see that you are working on yourself, on your life, on your career, on your happiness, and you are ready to let go of things which cause you worry, pain, and anxiety, which is good. 10 of Winter, see, exactly, that's what you are letting go. Endings, something has ended, some pressure is being lifted off your shoulders. I do feel this change of Neptune going direct, it will bring you emotional happiness and Some weights are lifted off your shoulders. You know, something is weighing down on you, like some worry, some issue is causing you worry, that will be changing for you. You will feel like, finally, I can relax. I can focus on myself. There is relief, you know, some burdens. You will find relief from some burdens, or you will make peace with something that has ended in your life. Four of Winter. I do feel this is, you are taking some time for yourself. This is not your week to socialize a lot. You are not in the mood for that, because I do feel a lot of. I don't see you socializing much this week. This is your week of planning, dreaming, manifesting, and especially with the full moon, I do see that you are trying to manifest something, resting, relaxing. Set aside your concerns for now. You can make a decision later. Solutions that come from meditation, the need for more sleep, or a vacation. See? I do feel some of you are planning to, you are dreaming of a vacation, or you are dreaming of, oh, how nice it would be to have a beautiful home, to have, a beautiful, maybe it is your dream to travel, or maybe it is your dream to, travel the mountains, have a log cabin, a wood cabin where you can live. I think some of you are dreaming something this week, and it is good. I also feel there are some decisions this week for you, but you can let them go. You don't need to make those decisions this week. You can put aside them for now. All those endings, those worries, those pains, you can rest, relax, and focus on yourself, which is good. The Empress, number 3. That's what I felt. That is how your week is. You're focusing on yourself, your goals, your work, your career. You're also happy manifesting something. Some of you could be expecting a baby, or someone has a baby around you in the family. So yeah, that can also happen. I also feel if you have started something new, some job or some hobby, you will feel more connected with it. I also feel some of you are trying to manifest something, like, a new home, a new loving relationship, a marriage. It is happening for you, friends. You are on the right path. Don't worry so much. I also feel this is a week to take care of yourself, your beauty, your health, because I see you have neglected yourself. You had been very busy in the past. And also, I do feel, friends, I'm sorry to say, but maybe there is some news. Something is bothering you. I don't know why I see this here. Maybe some passing has happened, or maybe you have missed something, like a cat or a dog or a pet, or you are missing people, your friends, or someone from your past. You are missing them. This week, focus on yourself, friends. You have a lot of positive energy. So instead of focusing on the past, focus on yourself, on your future. Three of Autumn. Yes, a lot of, you will be very busy. I see you working with yourself, working or learning a new hobby. I also see that you will be busy cooking, baking. I see you making some cookies, or preparing, for wedding seasons or something. I see you doing a lot of things, you're busy. The dreamer, you want a new start, friends. Absolutely. You are planning this week, you are preparing for it. Some of you are planning to travel, maybe later in the year ahead, in December. Or you could be, you want to travel right now, or you are traveling this week. So yeah, travel plans, vacations, changing, relocating, all on your mind. About love, I feel you're missing someone from the past. I don't know why you missing them. Maybe it was a very bad ending with this person. But maybe if you haven't ended anything, something is stuck in your love life, and you are a little fed up about it. I do see someone coming back and wanting to talk with you. Someone is ready to talk with you this week. I don't know if they will make a move this week or not, but someone is watching you in your love life. They are keeping an eye on you. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. Someone is keeping an eye on you because they are waiting and watching. They are waiting for the right time to make a move towards you for a new start in love. If you are single, you are trying to manifest new love, friends. You are done with the past. You are ready for new. You are manifesting. Yes, it is going to happen. I also see you will be reading some books, about maybe, I see you reading vacation books or blogs or recipe books. I see you learning a lot this week. Also, creative hobbies are on your mind. I also feel some of you are trying to shift, or you may have to travel this week or relocation, so you should rest a little. It's a busy week for you. Anything else in love? I feel someone with an age gap is there, someone long distance in age gap. They are seeing that you are doing very well. This person wants to talk with you. They want to make things work, but they are waiting. They are not making a move yet. So yeah, maybe when the full moon happens, they might make a move towards you. Let's see what else. Message in a bottle. Yes, some important messages are going to come your way, both related to work and related to love. So keep your eyes open, rest, and I think you should not focus too much on the past. Otherwise, you will miss these messages. And let's see what else. New life. Yeah, some of you are breaking free, friends. You want new things in your life. You are done with the past. You just can't deal with it anymore. And you don't have to. You have shifted. You are also ready to shift out of your comfort zone. Some of you could expect a pregnancy or a childbirth this week if you are married. Maybe it's happening for someone in the family. Maybe you feel it is time for you to get married or shift to another city or country. So yes, you are ready for new. New is new things. You are ready. In fact, you are already there with the new things. You are working on manifesting it. Patience, number 16. Yeah, I do feel I do feel a little bit of patience is necessary this week because you are very busy and you want things to be like, oh, we have waited for so long, we have waited for so long, why aren't things moving? They are, friends, things are already moving. Sometimes, change doesn't happen or appear on the surface, but it is happening. It is happening. Even though you can't see it, good things are coming your way. Just a wee bit of patience. Like this, your love life, it feels stuck. No, it is shifting. I see it already shifted into a very good, energy. So you're on the right time. Woman holding a coin, number 42. Yes, some of you are worried about money, or whether your career or your love life, or your career or your education is going to bring you money. Yes, money is coming your way. If you have started something new, you are going to find money, success, and abundance in it. If you have started a new business, yes, you will be successful. Keep working. You have some patience. It won't happen overnight, but you will find it. This success, this money, some messages related to money are coming your way. I also feel, friends, this week you may want to help others a lot, or you may take on other people's burden. Don't do that. This is your week. Focus on yourself. And also owl, so keep your eyes open. Because you have the owl, so divine messages are coming your way. So let's see your advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. Let's see your advice. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. Yay! So definitely, friends, something beautiful is coming your way. Prosperity is coming for you. A new start is here. This is a new moon, so you are already on a new path. Luck is ahead of you, and also this full moon will bring you a lot of prosperity. It will connect you with your luck, with your ambition. It will also connect you with helpful people who will support you in your path ahead. So let's see your charms now. Just a second. All right, let's see your charms. For option number 1, what will happen for them for this week? For option number 1, so dusty, lots of dust is here. Option number 1. What is next? Wow, your charms don't want to come. Alright. Anything else? Very few charms you have got. Anything else? Alright, let's see. So first I'll keep this aside. Number 3 on the dice. You also have the 3 with the Empress. So yes, let me just take them, keep them upright, and then we're gonna talk. Wow, you have the purse. Look at that. Money is important, friends. Money is important for you. Money is very important for some of you, and you have number 7 stuck in the letter K. So, so some of you need someone with letter K is important. Let's see. Number 19. There is also number 7. There is number 14. All right. So let's arrange them. Wow. I don't know if you can make anything out of this. I can see lock, L-O-C-K. So yeah, something is locked for you, maybe some doors or some opportunities. You feel like money is not coming your way, or love is not coming your way. You feel like everything is old, nothing new is coming your way. You are fed up of this wait. You are fed up that something new hasn't happened yet in your life. It is coming, friends. These locked doors are going to open for you. Look at that. Here also this coin has a gateway. So locked doors are going to open. And what else? So L-A, L-O-C-K, F and D are the words for you. I don't know if I can make anything else. Let me know if you can make any words out of these. I can't actually at the moment. Maybe you can make a cake if you add an E in it. So yeah, I do see you baking or making some food, or dreaming about a holiday, having some good food. So yeah, or maybe you're going to a birthday party. Maybe it's your own birthday party or a friend's birthday or a wedding. So you're gonna enjoy there. I also feel, or you are missing the party season. You're missing those good food in the party, the car. I do feel travel is important for you. Some news is also traveling towards you. The numbers are 19, 7 and 14. Hello, I'm a bad idea. I do feel there is a person who keeps you stuck in your life or in your love life, and they are thinking about you. I told you this could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or any sun sign. There is someone whom you feel is not good for you, and they keep things very stuck. Dog, it is about, yes, you're very loyal to your goals and dreams, friends. You're very, very loyal to your dreams and goals, and you're very hardworking. It also reminds me of sheeps, which are very hardworking. Penny, yes, money is important to you, and it also has the queen on it. So behave like a queen or a king. You need to take your time out. You need to enjoy your life also this week. What else? You have the umbrella. You are very protected, friends. Even though you may not see that you are protected, you are very protected. You have 2 tree of life. Look at that. You have 2 tree of life. That's interesting. You have both tree of life, golden and silver. I do feel, there is a person who is very important to you, and you have a soul purpose with that person. This person and you could be soulmates, twin flames. I also feel that you are working, you want to have two, or I see that you are working on 2 jobs or 2 hobbies this week. I also feel that you want to have like an extra income also right now, because you feel money is not coming your way. Number 3 on the dice. 3 could be like the March is important for you. Next 3 days could also be important, or next 3 months. Purse, yes, money is coming your way, so don't worry, money. And also this has a rose, so I do feel someone likes you and they are not telling you, like they have sweet feelings for you but they keep it hidden. Leaf is like, let go of worries this week, don't worry, it's not worth it. Worry never helps you. Tell me, when was the last time you worried and it helped you? It doesn't. It only wastes your time and makes your health bad, and also makes your mood grumpy. So it's not fun. It doesn't help. So focus on your work, dreams, and goals, and take some rest, watch some movies. I would suggest you to watch something related with travel or hobbies, creativity, crafts, food, textiles. I also feel that this is maybe some of you want to travel but you can't this week, so you are a little frustrated. This leaf is also about, taking your own time. Don't rush things. Things are happening in divine timing. Don't rush. Flow with the flow. And you have the two horses, so yeah, you are very strong, friends. You are very, very strong, and you are attracting someone. If you are trying to manifest stuff, someone good and someone exactly like you, solid, dependable, is coming towards you, so don't worry. If you are looking for help in work or career, yes, someone is just like you is going to help you out. Look at that, 8 of Years. You are fed up. You don't want anyone to restrict you or anything of the past. It really irritates you now. Anything from the past or any restrictions or any blocks, like if you can't travel this week, you will be very unhappy. So focus your energy on something else. Monkey, you you are filled with energy. Monkeys have a lot of energy, so I would suggest you to exercise, get out, giver. Yeah, you are attracting a giver in your life, someone who wants to give to you, someone who wants to protect you, because you have been giving and kind to a lot of people. Cycles, yeah, I do feel that love situation is happening in cycle, so you need to be patient. I know this person, maybe your husband, wife, maybe your ex-lover, maybe it is a person you are right now in contact with, or they ditched you, I don't know, they left you, but things are happening in a cycle. Don't worry, yeah, you are hurt. 3 of Air, it feels here also, right, with the ending. Someone has hurt you, but it's okay. You have moved away from it. 8 of Wands, communications, passion. Important communications are coming. White, yeah, focus on the peace, friends. Focus on the peace. 4 of Cups, and here is 4 of Winter. I do feel you are a little like upset in love, or you are a little bored this week. Like, what am I supposed to do? There is so much energy. What do I do with it? Put it in your work, put it in your career, put it in self love. 10 of Coins. See, money is coming, friends. A lot of money. If you start anything this week, it will gonna bring you a lot of money in the coming times. Ahead. Faith, yeah, you need to keep your faith, friends. Your faith is being tested right now, whether it is about love or marriage or whether it is about your money. Stay positive. You have deep roots. You are this small tree right now. You will grow big. Have some faith. 10 of Wands, a brutal ending. Friends, I do see that you might take on a lot of work this week. A lot of pressure. 10 of Wands. Don't do that, because you need to rest. You need to relax. You have a lot of energy, so because of that, you might end up taking a lot of work. Don't do that, friends. This is a great week for you to focus on manifesting things, focusing on your love life, focusing on your work, career, yourself, and prosperity. Money is coming your way, so yeah, go for it, friends. Don't worry, and relax and rest. And make sure to subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful jellyfish, let us see what is coming next for you in love, work or career. This is a chance reading. Let us see, these are your oracle messages. This is your advice. So let's see what will happen for you this week. There is a full moon happening on this week, and also Neptune going direct. So let's see what is happening. The 10 of Summers. Wow. Family is very important to you. Family and friends, which you call family. So yeah, You are this is an emotional week for you, I feel, because 10 of cups is like the ultimate happiness. Some of you are missing this ultimate happiness, and some of you are trying to find it in your family, your friendships, your soulmate, your lover. An emotionally fulfilling life with family or friends, raising children wisely, people you can trust. So, you are looking for someone you can trust this week. Also, it is an emotional week for you. No wonder you choose jellyfishes. Jellyfishes are full of water, you know, they are like. They are Cancer Scorpio, they are a fish, Cancer Scorpio, Pisces, right? They are full of water energy, lunar energies. The Magician, you are trying to manifest something in your life. I feel you are trying to manifest, maybe some of you are trying to manifest a loving partnership, someone you can trust, more friendships. I think some of you are trying to attract more friends in your life. Some of you are trying to you are looking for a new start in your life because you are like, woo, we are done. You can do anything. Take charge of your life. You can manifest what you need to be a success. See? This is beautiful. Let's see more cards. Oops, sorry. Very sorry. Okay, the Hermit. Yeah, I do feel that this week is, you are connecting with your spirituality. You're also focusing on, you're thinking deeply about things, This week, your thoughts are deep. Like, you want to think deeply. What is life? What is love? What is family? What do you want? What is next for you? Where should you go? Why you are on earth? What is your life purpose? Why is someone put in your life? Why is your family there? Why you have, if you are in love, are they your twin flame, are they your soulmate, who is that person? Your thoughts are deep this week, and I do feel you are trying to find solutions, a new start in your life. The Nine of Spring. Yeah, I do feel you have a very strong power this week. You are very powerful. I also feel you might also be a little temperamental this week, like uh, you don't want to give up on things you believe in. Like, if you believe in a marriage, you will not be giving it up. If you believe in love, you are not ready to give up. If you believe you will not find love, you are not going to give up on that either. So you are like, yes, I'm going to not give up on anything. I'm going to work for it. And also, you might have a little bit of temper, because if people are behaving stupidly, because you are in a very wise energy, so if anyone is causing behaving stupidly or silly or foolishly, you might get upset. Your anger might be triggered. You are like, what's happening? Why are you making noise? Because you are very focused and others are not. Protect the fruits of your labor. Prepare for possible challenges that lie ahead. Environmental conservation. So, yeah, you are focused on many things. You are very focused on something new, or starting or doing something in your life, and you are very, very deep about it. You're thinking deeply about everything in life. What should be your goal? What should be your next move? What is where you are going? You're in deep thoughts this week. Emperor. Let's see the next card. Wow, you're very powerful, friends. You're very, very powerful. It could be your birthday, Aries, Leo, Sag, this week. So you are celebrating with friends or family. Maybe a lot of family members have birthdays this week, because maybe they are Sag, Sagittarius, many Sagittarius in your family. I see a family gathering, a wedding, or anniversaries or birthdays being celebrated. I also see that you are connecting with your power this week, and you are very powerful. But if others behave foolishly, it will trigger you, it will make you angry, it will make you upset. I also feel that this week you have another card. Let's see what is. Prince of Summer, the romantic, captivating, dramatic, flirtatious. Wow, Prince of Summer. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this week, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel, you have two extremes this week. Either you're very, very emotional about something, or you're very, very angry with something, like maybe life, or maybe a lover, a friendship, your family. So there are two extremes that you have this week. One is you will feel very emotional, very happy about something, but at the same time, you may be very upset or angry. So you may either or, you know. I do feel this is an emotional week for you because there are emotional highs and lows. Also, you want to be in control, you want to be in charge of everything. You are in a very leadership role, and if your family is like, no, your parents, your in-laws are like, we will do our wish, you will be like, nope, I'm going to do my things my way, I will not take it. So you're gonna show them who is the boss. Also, if there are people behaving foolishly, it will not make you happy. I also feel that there in your love life there is a person who loves you but who is not talking to you at the moment. They are behaving like this emperor, arrogant, egoistic. They may be younger than you, or maybe they are your own age, but they are behaving a bit arrogantly, a bit stupidly, a bit foolishly. They are not talking to you, they are not replying to your messages, they are busy with their family, and it is making you angry. Look at that. You are like, why this? What is this behavior? You are very upset with this person, or you might be. So I would suggest you to focus on your own self, your own family, taking care of yourself, making some new dreams for yourself or future goals. Because you are thinking, if you are single, you are thinking very deeply about life. What is love? What is your next move? So focus on that. I also feel this week your family will be very demanding, or your friends might message you. They might ask you, hey, can you do this for us? Even at your work, your boss might be busy, so they might ask you to take care of everything, or you might ask for a leave and they will be like, nope, what is a leave? We don't know. We have never heard what is a leave. You can't go, and you will be, or they put extra work for you, like, your boss is on a holiday or in a marriage, so you have to do all their work, and you are like, why am I doing all this? But you have to, because someone's work or someone's you will have to take care of people this week, whether you like it or not. I don't think you like it, but you have to. I also feel that you can focus extra energy towards yourself, towards your career, towards future goals, what you will do in the next year. Make some next year plans this week. It will work in your favor. Work-wise, I told you, you will have to be, you have to be in a leadership role. People are going to put their work on you. Thinker, you are busy thinking. Number 44. 444 is important for you this week. Big things are on your mind. Why you met a person, what is family, what is marriage, what is twin flame. You're thinking about larger things in life. Some of you could be meditating this week, or some of you could be connecting to people who are meditating. Some of you are also, I think you are going to binge watch, spiritual stuff. Maybe our channel, you are going to binge watch it because you are looking for answers, some deep questions, some deep answers, solutions. A spiritual mentor may also come, a guide may come to you. You are looking for someone to guide you on the right way, you are looking for someone to help you because you have always helped people. So you want someone to guide you now, someone to, protect you. It is going to happen, friends. It is. I do see a spiritual mentor coming your way. Maybe it is our channel. Maybe, these readings will help you. Maybe it is in your dreams you're going to find someone who will help you. Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, communications. Yeah, you have to be careful in how you communicate with people, because I see the energy is very intense. Communications can cause you a lot of problems and also a lot of happiness this week. You can have this 10 of cups of happiness if you are polite and understanding, or you can have this 9 of wands. I will not listen to you. The choice will be yours. People will behave what they want to behave, but you can change how you are feeling. Important communications. Communications are the highlight of your week. So be careful how you communicate. Don't let anyone trigger you, make you angry, make you upset. Oh, man holding a heart, number 45. Someone is in love with you. I don't know why they are not telling you. Maybe this week they will make a move and tell you. I also feel if you are single, you might be having a crush on somebody and you are keeping it under the wraps like, I don't want to tell them. I'm not going to tell them. But I think you should. If you love somebody, you should tell them, isn't it? So let's see your advice. It's a great week for you. Just one thing you need to keep in mind. Don't get mad. People are going to behave a little silly. Don't get mad. Try and avoid people if possible because otherwise you can get very happy or very snappy, angry. So yeah. Also, I see you reading books. I see you watching Harry Potters or something like that. You're finding solutions. Also, uh, I do see you watching. I don't know why this. I see you watching some romantic movies or maybe some fantasy movies and dreaming of your future husband or wife. You know, you're full of love, and you are looking for love or solutions. It is coming. Let's see your advice for the full moon. Emotions are running high. Super moon. Whew. Friends, be careful. This is an emotional week for you. I am telling you, your emotions will go from high to low and to again high. So you need to be careful. You need to listen to your intuition. Also try and avoid people. Focus on your life. I also see someone loves you. Maybe a secret admirer or a person from you are currently with. They are gonna jump and surprise you like, hey, and you are like, what? You are like, what? I also feel your family will be very demanding this week. You know, they are like, hey, let's go there, let's do this. Hey, they might interfere you. So you might have to be a little like, who, let me work. You know, you are like, who, let me work. If you're working from home, it might be like a difficult situation for some of you because you are busy and people are asking you to do that. You know, everyone wants you. Emotions are high. Take care, friends. Let's see your charms. I think the best solution would be to binge on Magic Quen's tarot. At least that will keep you from fighting, arguing, and being unhappy. Maybe you might find a new lover also. Who knows here? Option number 2. What's coming next for them? Option number 2. Oh, I think I... Okay, I think I dropped a ring of mine. Let's see. Wow, very, very passionate week. Wet, wow, this is passionate. Someone is very attracted towards you. Look at that, wet. Yeah, apples are also about passion, you know. Or also you are feeling very, very emotional, or you may cry with happiness or cry, with like you missing someone. So yeah, let let things be, let people be. I do see that people might trigger you this week, but let them be. You can't change people, right? We can only change our behavior or how we feel about them, but we can't change people or how they behave. So let things be as they are. Focus on your health, focus on your happiness, focus on your dreams, your future goals. I also see pineapple is about passion, a lot of passion, a lot of reunions. Someone you may be connecting with, old friends or lovers. Red car is also about you are very passionate this week. Number 19 is important for some of you. Number 14 is also important. And look, the heart is in number 22. So wow, something related to love is coming your way. Oops, the golden heart was in number 22. So it might be important for some of you. Look, the golden heart. What else? Number 15. Yeah, number 15. 19, 14, 22, 15 are important. Hello, I'm yours. Yeah, someone wants to propose to you. Someone might message you. They might compliment you. They might make you happy, but at the other, the next moment, they might make you upset. So that energy is there. Don't forget to save. Yeah, I do feel that everyone wants you to do something, like everybody wants you this week. Like, hey, join us for a party. Hey, do this, do that. Everyone is getting on your nerves. So don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to save some time for yourself. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are about fairy. Mushrooms are also about fantasy. Like, I told you, you might be watching some movies which are like fantasy, uh, future dreams. Also, you are looking for solutions. You are looking for solutions. You are looking for passion. You are looking for someone who is loyal. Growth. Yeah, growth is happening. Your connections, your love life, everything is growing. And look at that, you have twin flames also. Twin flames are important for you. Look at that, the twin flame charm is here. And what else is here? You have the unicorn. Wow, a lot of fairy connection, a lot of this is a spiritual week also for you, friends. Things are very spiritual this week. Mushrooms are also about spirituality. Hermit is again about spirituality. Unicorn, some wish is about to come true for you. You have the blue bead. This is about communications. Watch out, your communications. You can hurt someone, or because I tell you, this full moon is in opposite to moon, and it is also opposite to Venus, and Uranus also has a very strong opposition with this moon. So silence is golden this week, at least for you. You will have a lot of dreams this week, I feel. So watch out for your dreams, watch out for intuitive messages. The golden bead, I feel, yes, your future is very bright. If you are worried about your future, you are safe. Don't worry so much. The tree of life, things are going to get better for you. Stay grounded. Tree of life is also like meditate. Stay grounded. Don't act by your ego plate. Focus on what is important, what is right ahead of you. Don't think, if you think too far about the future, you might feel upset. If you think too much about your past, you will feel upset. So focus on what's right in this plate, in this moment. What is this? A rose. Someone likes you, friends. Someone will compliment you, or you might compliment someone. Someone might gift you a rose, or you might read some old letters, love letters, or some notes from people who loved you in the past. A lot of love energy is there. Oops, sorry. This is the golden heart. Yeah, someone really likes you, friends. They are not telling you, but they really love you. The deer, you're very sensitive, friends, this week. Very sensitive. Very sensitive to people. So you may get upset, you may get very happy, you may cry, you may get mad. So stay grounded. Dragonfly, positive changes are coming your way. And look at that, the disc, money disc. Yes, money is coming your way. Don't worry. Luck, luck is with you. You're very lucky. The Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person could be important for some of you. What else is here? Whale. Whale charm is coming a lot. I feel this week be large-hearted, friends, because otherwise, if you stay in your ego, it will cause problems. If you stay in your heart too much, it will again cause problems. Try to stay balanced and try to forgive people. Kingfisher, yeah, money is coming here. I think kingfishers are also, they can dive into water and, they can pick the fishes, They have a very keen eyesight and they have, so something, you're looking for some solution, you are going to find it. You're looking for an answer, you're going to find it. Father, yeah, I told you, friends, some of you may have some issues with your family. Either they are very demanding this week, or either they want you to party a lot, or either they are partying or going out a lot and you're like, what are you doing? And you might have some ego issues with your father, with your mother, your father-in-law, your family. So just stay calm. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. I also feel your lovers, your twin flame, your husband, wife's family may also be causing you problems. So you have to keep patient. 10 of coins. I do feel again family is very important, even money related to family, you know. You feel like your career is dependent on your family. You can't go out because they are not letting you, or you can't expand your life because of family. So something related to family is there. Ex, yeah, maybe your ex person's family didn't supported you and you are upset, still angry with that thing. Four of yours you need to be patient. You need to stay calm. You need to take some time away from people. Otherwise, you will feel drained. Mars, too much passion, friends. This is a very, very passionate week for you. Stay careful. Don't do one night stands. Don't try anything too sexy because it might cause you some trouble. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Passion and emotion both are very high this week for you. Faith. You should keep your faith, friends. Some things may not have gone as you planned. Maybe life didn't go as you planned. Or right now it is not going as you wanted to. But in the future, your things are looking very bright. So stay powerful. You have become very strong. Keep going that way, you know. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe, like and share Magic Vans Tarot. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful dog, let us see what's next for you. This is a charms reading. I will be pulling your charms shortly. This is your advice for the full moon. This is your extra oracle messages. So let's see how this week will be for you. What's coming next in your love, work and career. Two of Autumns, busy, busy, busy. Very busy this week, friends. Also, you are juggling a lot of issues, lot of responsibilities, you know. You are busy looking after home, you are busy looking after family. So bring balance into your life. Also, I feel you could be struggling with a decision. Like you don't know, should you do this or should you not do this? Bring fun into everything you do. Juggling multiple priorities or jobs. An exceptional skill for multitasking. I think this week you should bring some fun, because otherwise you might just be working. This is a busy week for you, absolutely. A lot is on your mind, a lot is on your work or in your home. You are very busy. 8 of Autumn, yes. Again, if you are a student, you will be working very hard. If you are working, you will be finishing your work. You know, your work is piling up, so you'll be finishing it up. Some of you are busy making some money, or you want some more money. I also feel strength. So 11-11, you could be dealing with a twin flame, or you could be dealing with an important relationship this week. I also feel some of you are having health issues, or you had them in the past, or maybe someone in the family is having health issues. Recovery will happen, absolutely, but you will be busy, you know, you'll be busy with all this work. Managing your life, your health, and also someone else's health. Also, this is you know, you if you are neglecting your health, you should start focusing on it this week. The power of kindness and forgiveness. Time to embrace how wonderful you are. See, you are amazing, you are wonderful. I think you are so busy that you have forgotten that life can be fun, that you are doing you have achieved so much up till now in this year. I think this year we have just not done two things. One, being grateful. We are not grateful that what an amazing year this has been. It has given us time, and you know, we all, you know, all our lives we keep going to schools, to colleges, to offices without a break. Even on weekends we are like, oh, we have to go there on Monday. So it's not fun, but this year just broke all of it, and it gave us time. So you should be grateful about it. Secondly, we should be grateful that we are doing well. We have managed till now. We are alive. We are healthy. We are happy. So I think it is time this week to focus. You will be busy. Yes. Yes, you'll be busy. A lot is on your mind. But take a moment to be happy and be grateful. because I think you have achieved a lot. You have come a long way, friends. Especially pile 3, you're not seeing how far you have come in some situation, whether it is work or love or career or life. You have learned a lot, so be proud of yourself. Six of spring, yes, some sort of success is coming your way, or your career, or your some career is moving into forward direction. Some sort of momentum is coming. I also see some of you will be recognized for your work you are doing now, or you have done in the past. Public recognition, fame is coming your way. If you are a student, your teachers will recognize that you are an excellent student. Your parents will be like, yay. You're doing good, friends. You are doing good. You will feel a sense of victory this week. So go for it, friends. I also see that if you are an introvert, even then you will feel like going out, meeting people, or from now in the future, you will feel more outgoing. I also feel this is a week you should feel very proud of yourself, that how far you have come, how much work you have done, and how beautifully you have handled everything. Even now, maybe you had to look after your family, maybe someone is ill, or maybe you have financial burdens of your family. You are doing an excellent job. I want to tell you, you are doing excellently. I'm so proud of you. You should also be, and I see some success coming your way. If your career is not moving forward, success is coming, some growth is coming. Prince of winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Yes, I see online work, or communications are very important for you. I also see that you could be learning something new, whether it is in romance or in career. You are learning something new. Your mind is very sharp this week. Your mind is very alert. You're thinking a lot. Five of summer. Yeah, someone has let you down, in love. Someone has let you down. Someone is maybe causing you pain. Maybe they are hurting you. Twin flame. It could be a lover, ex-husband, wife. It could be a family member or a friend or a colleague. Someone is hurting you. Someone has caused you pain. Some situation did not go as you planned. But look how beautifully you have handled yourself. Look at this. And it isn't over, life isn't over. Things are going to get better. This situation also has some potential to get better. Maybe your person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Or I feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The star, your wishes are going to come true, friends. Absolutely. Whatever you are trying to work on right now, maybe you are preparing for an exam or an interview, you are going to achieve it. Maybe you are preparing for some love to come into your life, or healing a relationship. Yes, it is going to happen. Your wishes are going to come true. If you are single, you are going to attract a very strong partner. Someone who is very strong, someone who will never give up on you. If your marriage is going through some issues, which it might this week, remember that it is a very strong connection. Nothing will happen, all is well. Things will come out beautifully. I also feel if you are a student, I don't know if you are a student or not, but I see you learning, checking things out. Maybe you are checking someone's social media, or someone is checking your social media again and again. I also see you're looking for jobs, some of you, like you're looking for work opportunities. Yes, you will be successful. But you will have to take action. You will have to apply to jobs. You will have to apply or make some emails. Yes, you will be successful. In love, I feel maybe your partner is very busy. They don't have time to talk to you. So you might be a little disappointed, like, hey, why are you not talking to me? Because they are busy. But I do see that the connection love hasn't dimmed down. They love you. They might take action towards you mid of the week. So be patient. Deep knowing, number 43. Yes, you do. Your soul knows what you are doing and where you are going. I think some of you are like, no, life will not get better. We won't get success. It's not, fame won't happen for us. Love won't happen. If you are single, you are like, nah, I've been single forever. Love won't happen. It will happen, friends. It will happen. You know this in your heart, in your mind. Something you know is going to happen for you. And because you have the star, whether it is in love, work, or career, you know something will happen. Something good is manifesting, and yes, it will happen for you. Blessed, you are super blessed, friends. Number 22 and 11 222. This is a powerful time for you, friends. You are really, really very blessed and protected. Even I think you have not realized how blessed and amazing you are. You have been so strong. You are seeing what things you missed out on this week, but you are not seeing how powerful and how amazing you have become in the process. You have become an angel. It's beautiful. I do see something good will happen this week. Something that will make you feel happy, that will make you feel proud. Like if you are married, you have kids, your children will make you proud. Or if you are working on a project, it will give you some success. If you are giving an exam, you will come out with good colors. If you are waiting for some interview results, it will be in your favor. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Yes, big time healing is happening, friends. Healing of your heart, healing of your love life, healing of your beliefs is happening. So don't worry, friends. Archangel Raphael is working to heal your life, heal your love relationships, heal your marriage also, twin flame relationships. Happy family, number 4. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. Some of you are really doubting, will you ever have a happy family or friends or a happy work, working environment? Will you ever have that? Yes, you will. Why? Because Archangel Raphael says it is in your destiny. This is your destiny. But right now you should focus on what you know, and you should focus on the good things in your life. I do feel this week, some of you, I don't know why you're dealing with some health issues or what. I don't know. Maybe in your family, someone is dealing with health issues. Maybe it is your pet, pet, dog, cat, because you do have a dog here. So if you are worried about their health, they are safe. Don't worry. In love, I also feel that someone is busy. They are not taking time. They are behaving a little, yeah, egoistically. But they will get, maybe you are fighting or arguments are going with this person. Things will get better. Healing will happen for you. Don't worry. Let's see your advice, then we'll see the charms. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. You are starting something new, friends. Some new cycles are going to start because all the retrograde planets are over. So luck is coming your way. Look at that. This full moon is very lucky for you. Something blessed is going to happen. I will be doing what blessings are coming your way in detail, but I feel it has to do with finding support in your life. This full moon is bringing support in your life, whether it is in form of a family, good friends, or maybe healing your relationships. So yeah. Good things are coming your way. Luck is with you. Your hard work, your patience will be rewarded. Let's see your charms. Option number 3, what will happen next for them? Option number 3, what will happen next for option number 3? Alright, see message in a bottle. You're waiting for something, friends, some messages. And look, the health chart is here. Someone's health is causing you worries. Maybe you're worried. I think stay grateful. See, again this charm is, even till now it is stuck. It just doesn't come out. It is in J. This time it is stuck in J. There is also P. There is also A. I don't know if we can make anything. Sap. Yeah, someone might be sapping your energy, like, sucking your energy. You should not focus on it, friends. You should focus on healing. Maybe you are working too much and you are not realizing that it is affecting your health. So focus on what your intuition is telling you. You should listen to your intuition. You know something, you should listen to it. Health chart. Take care of your health. If you are dealing with health issues, they will be resolved. call upon Archangel Raphael. They will help you to heal. Even if not, your health and your loved one's health will be healing this week. So worry not. Let us see what else. Okay, there is another alphabet. There is L. Lab, yeah, you are, lab. Maybe some of you are wanting to have children. Maybe you're wondering about a pet or something. So, yeah, that is there. Some of you are destined for becoming this starting this happy family. It will happen for you. Don't worry. So SJE and LAP, lab. So those are your words. Jess could be a name for someone. Jess, Jessie, or Les, all these could be names for you. Yellow, stay positive, friends. I think you are focusing on all what is missing from your life, not realizing how lucky you are. There is again this luck is on your side. You are very lucky, friends. You should count your blessings. I think you should write in your comments what is you are grateful for. The lucky boot, money is coming your way. Oh, the mic. This is beautiful, friends. Some of you are going to start a singing career, a music career. Maybe some of you have started some online work or online conferences, or on YouTube you have started work. So yeah, you will be successful what you are doing. I also see some of you are attracting a famous personality in your life, a lover, maybe a musician, a singer, a dancer, or actor. Also, this is like messages coming your way, big time messages, important messages, revelations coming your way. So, woo, that was an interesting one, the mic. And messages are coming, bottle, message in a bottle. Yes, someone has deep feelings for you. They will tell you. They are not telling you right now, but I see they will. You also have the diamond. Friends, you are the diamond. You should not look down upon yourself. You are the diamond, If someone has not reciprocated their love, or they are not accepting your love, don't worry. You are the diamond. It is their loss. You have the owl. So I see you learning something and, being very busy. I also feel you should listen to your intuition. Your creativity will be very high, so focus on it. Ooh, sorry friends, very sorry. Wind chime, wow. Something is going to surprise you, a happy surprise, because you saw how it fell down. It reminded me like something is going to surprise you this week. Look at this, blessed. Luck is on your side. Wind of changes, wind chime. I do feel some of you are planning, or maybe in the future you will travel abroad or somewhere for work, or someone from abroad is coming for work or love. So yeah, that energy changes, positive changes are coming. Dragonfly, things are already shifting for you in positive way. Stay calm. This leaf is about not taking too much worry, Be be relaxed. Enjoy, have some fun. Leaves are, they float in the air, they fly, they change colors. They go green, they go yellow, they go red, they do everything. So have some fun in life. Change maybe your hair color, maybe have some fun, dance a little. You're working too much, life is boring. So get out, do something. Maybe do some singing, karaoke. Those apps we have where you can go and sing. So yeah, maybe you can sing. If you have your singing channel, you can send me your singing videos, Also take time to breathe. This little leaf is like, breathe, relax. Pink hat, someone loves you, friend. Someone really, really loves you. They are not telling you, but they will tell you. And they will tell you like in a declaration, with a mic and everything. This is the creativity. Your creativity is very high, friends. Focus on that. Otherwise, life is boring. Without art, life is boring, isn't it? Tiger, you are a tiger, friends. Look at this. The strength also has a lion, so you are very powerful. When you see life hasn't changed, remember you have changed. You have become from a cub to a tiger. Ex, yeah, someone is causing you problems. An ex-lover, twin flame, husband, wife, What is this? One of your breakthroughs are coming. Some important messages are coming. May is important for some of you, the month of May. And four of coins. Yeah, I would say that keep your money close to yourself, because don't spend your money too much. Five of wands. Yeah, there is a fight going on with somebody. I felt that you are fighting with someone, or someone is not understanding your opinions, your views. A lover. Don't worry about it. They will realize. They will realize who you are. Look, art is here. I told you. Life is nothing without art. Children, ooh, my God, thank you for confirming. Everything is resonating. I told you it is about your children. Some of you want children, or in future you want to have kids. You feel time is running out. Yes, you will have them no matter what. You will have happy friendships and a happy family. March is also important. So you have 2 months, May and March. What else is there? You have lots of these mini cards. Oops. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Four of Air, be patient. You have Four of Coins also. You have Four of Air. Patience is necessary. 10 of Coins. Family is important, yes. Family, you are very busy because of family perhaps, but you will find some time for yourself. May, March and June is important. This is Canada. Yeah, some of you, oh my God. I told you, some of your dream is to travel abroad or live abroad, or your husband or wife or your future lover is from there. Someone famous, someone very nice, someone very strong. Canada is important. Saturn is important. Wow, Saturn is your destiny, your hard work, you getting the rewards. Healer, yes, some of you are going to become healers. Yes, it is your destiny. Or singers, or musicians, artists, you know. Two of Wands. Be mature, friends. I think someone is behaving stupidly, arguing and fighting. They will get mature with time. Prince of Cups, see? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. So it's a great week for you, friends. It's a great week. Bring some fun, do some singing, karaoke. Let me know what you did to make this week fun. That's it for now. Subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like, share, join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.